Welcome to Echoes from the Heart, where every story begins softly, but stays with you forever. Here, we share true life stories of heartbreak, quiet triumphs, lost time, and the courage it takes to begin again. From unexpected reunions to life after loss, each tale is rooted in real emotion and the everyday resilience of the human spirit. What makes us different? Every story is lovingly written, narrated, and produced using AI, allowing us to craft cinematic, thoughtful experiences that blend emotion with reflection and always leave you with something deeper. If you've ever been told it's too late, if you've carried quiet pain no one saw, if you believe healing begins with understanding, then this is your home. So grab a cup of tea, press subscribe, and let's journey together, one unforgettable echo at a time.